In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw crypto from DYDX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on DYDX, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you will get a 5% discount on all trading fees forever. You can then just click here on Get Started, create an account, and you got the best sign-up bonus possible. Alright, so first of all, as you can notice, I'm still on the version 3 of DYDX, as you can see up here. So maybe if you're watching this video, you will use the version 4, but there's actually not that big of a difference from DYDX. They both pretty much work, especially if you look at the withdrawal options, exactly the same. So to make the withdrawal, actually, we have to go down here and click on Withdraw. Then we can choose between fast or slow. If you choose fast, the fees are a little bit higher, but then the good thing about it is that it will be pretty much instantly. Then we need to choose the coin, in this case USDC coin, of course. Type in the amount you want to withdraw. You can also see your available balance right here. I can just click on max to use all of it as well. There you can see the small fee and how much you will receive on your wallet. And then all I need to do is click down here on confirm withdraw. And then I will have the money back on my MetaMask wallet. So if I go up here to my MetaMask wallet, which I have connected to DYDX right here, you will see your balance here under USDC credited if you click on here, and then you will have it back onto your MetaMask wallet. So this first step basically takes it out of the second layer from DYDX over the main Ethereum chain and puts it back into your MetaMask wallet. And of course, from here, we can then send it to another wallet, to our own hardware wallet, for example, or another crypto exchange to, for example, buy some other crypto there or exchange it for fiat currencies and withdraw it, for example, back to our bank account. So these are your options. So to send crypto now from here to your own hardware wallet or, for example, other exchange, just go up here to send, enter your Ethereum address where you want to send the crypto. I'm just going to enter an example address right here. Then, of course, choose the USDC coin up here and type in the amount. And then with this up here, you can easily send your crypto to your own wallet or another exchange. So with these two steps, taking it out of DYDX to your MetaMask and then from MetaMask sending it to another wallet or exchange, this is the way how you can do it. If you're also interested in how to withdraw fiat, so how to withdraw, for example, US dollar or euro back to your own bank account from DYDX, check out the video that I've linked in the video description where I explain everything step by step on how you can do that as well. Don't forget to create an account on DYDX by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible, which is 5% discount on all trading fees forever. You can also find many more tutorials on DYDX on my channel. If you need more tutorials on how to deposit or how to trade on here, and if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.